Us?
Yeah, you can hear your voices. So
Oh,
everybody say
yeah.
hello.
Hi.
Hey.
I'm recording those floating islands that we made. Oh my god, Hob, yours is massive.
Yeah.
Nobody say that's what she said.
Wait, Kieran, can you TP me to the islands, please?
Have you
Why?
guys seen the glitch? There's like this glitch where if you put water next to
Oh, you're here. I
a
thought
chest,
you were-
then you can have like 3 chests next to each other.
I'm gonna just do the metal first, and then I'll do the glass in between. That seemed to work better last time. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, let's go.
Wait. Where does this go?
We all made these islands legitly, didn't we? I think they're pretty good for a legit one.
Yep.
Trollolol. Who's at the top of the hubs? Is that you at the top, Hub?
Yep.
So big.
That's what she
Whoa,
said. Oh, Hob, that's pretty cool. How you've made your.
It's actually scraping the sky now, Kieran. So it's all good. It's like right through the clouds.